Well, hello there and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Adrienne and I'm going to teach you today how it is that you're going to take leftover steak, which I know some of you are like, who has leftover steak? So any scraps, the bone, and any meats that you didn't eat the night before when you grilled it out on the barbecue, I'm going to teach you how to take that and turn it into the best beef and noodle soup that you have ever had. See it in here? It doesn't look real pretty. I'm going to use part of an onion and I'm going to use some garlic. And then at the very end, I am going to add spinach. I called Chef's Shake. It's kind of... All right, so as we're making this soup, I want you to think about one of my quotes. I pulled a quote for you because we're recreating food so that it doesn't go to waste and we're really just making it have an even better life. So I found this quote and it says, happiness is not something you find, but rather something you create. And so I was thinking about it, I was like, hey, this steak probably thought, well, they only ate half of me and the rest of me is gonna go to waste or it's gonna go to the dog. No, we're creating something even better. All right, now that we have all the ingredients in our pot, all I did was I put the lid on, I'm gonna bring it up to a boil and get it nice and rumbling in there, and then I'm gonna take it all the way back down to a simmer. And I'm gonna simmer it for the next, anywhere from, you need at least 2 hours, but I would say if you have 4 hours, 5 hours. I don't think you need longer than 5 hours, but you want everything to just simmer, and the meat is going to completely fall apart. Happiness is not something you find, but rather something you create. And we are creating happiness in the kitchen, baby.